Welcome back to my channel, Car DIY, Do-It-Yourself Services Ireland. Today in this car we're going to do the air filter. We have previously done oil and oil filter and pollen filter on this car, so we're going to replace now the air filter. And on this car there's two clips, one here, and then there's sort of a latch here, so the hinge. This is a Toyota Avensis 2 litre D4D T270 2011 model. So let's have a look and see what we've got in here. Lift it up, then clicks at the back, release. I must say that's quite vile looking. What's the back like? Not very nice. Very dirty. Out with the old, in with the new, nice and clean. That's the way it should be. So let's replace it. Really simple job. Lift it up, pop it in, go over that side there and show the hinge. Put the hinge in there, see the way it fits like this. Push it down and then just clip the latches when it's in properly. 1 and 2. That's how you change the air filter on a Toyota Avensis 2 litre D4D T270 model. If this video was anywhere helpful to you, please subscribe, leave a comment, like. Have a happy day. Take it easy. Au revoir.